The soared toward a blockbuster recovery on Wednesday after positive developments in Hong Kong removed one potential complication from the trade war landscape. However, conflicting opinions on interest rate policy suggest that the Federal Reserve risks descending into civil war ahead of a closely watched policy meeting this month. Dow whips back into recovery mode. Deal of Wall Street as major indices rallied back from their deep Sept. 3 losses. The Dow Jones Industrial Average spiked 214.86 points or 0.82% too. The Dow spiked more than 200 points on Wednesday. Vertical/source, Yahoo Finance at the S&P 500 added 24.54 points or 0.84% to climb to. All 11 primary sectors reported gains, with energy, technology, materials, and industrials advancing at least 1.00%. The Nasdaq outperformed, jumping 73.10 points or 0.9% to reach. Hong Kong protesters score crucial victory, boosting outlook for Dow and its peers shot higher because the Hong Kong protesters scored a key victory, persuading Carrie Lam to withdraw the controversial extradition bill that ignited the historic protest movement earlier this year. Beyond restoring calm to Asian markets, a peaceful resolution to the protests would remove one hurdle to a US-China trade deal. That is significant, but the two countries have to get back to the negotiating table first. Bloomberg reported earlier this week that this is proving to be more difficult than one would expect, and Trump's softening stance on China now appears to have been fleeting. Even more concerning is the extent to which Trump is willing to go to win the trade war. CPE reports that the president was so incensed at Beijing for raising tariffs on US goods that he told aides that he wanted to double current tariffs on Chinese imports. He ultimately settled on a 5% hike on $550 billion worth of Chinese goods, but only after his trade team called in reinforcements from Wall Street to talk him back from the cliff. Federal Reserve, Civil War. Interest rate policy is leading to deep divides within the Fed. Vertical/source, Shutterstock. Meanwhile, Federal Reserve officials continue to harbor wildly different opinions on interest rate policy. Less than 2 weeks before a closely watched Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting kicks. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.